The meeting is called to order. Good morning and welcome everybody to the installation of Team 21-22. May I now request Rotarian Nilufar to please formally welcome some dignitaries who are here with us virtually.
Mike.
Good morning, everyone. It's my proud pleasure to have with us today morning Mrs. Meru Watchmaker, Mrs. Roshan and Mr. Dora Patel, Mrs. and Mr. Adil Busa, Mrs. and Mr. Meenu Watchmaker, Rukshin Watchmaker, Mr. Danish Watchmaker, Mrs. Piroja Edalji, Khurshid and Farida Patel, Mr. Avinash Deoskar, Ms. Khurshid Dalal, Ms. Pinaz, PDG Vishwas Shastra Bhojni, District Secretary Events P.K. Khemchandani, District Secretary Projects Dr. Jugal Chirania. Thank you.
Thank you, Nilufar. With the permission of the House, I would like to use the podium to present my report. Do I have your permission? District Governor Ramesh Meher, past District Governor Shabir, other past District Governors, Assistant Governor Virendra Patrikar, past Presidents, fellow Rotarians, hands, Ajche Yajman, Dr. Jeristin Watchmaker, ladies and gentlemen. Before I pass the baton on to President-elect Jerry in this never-ending relay, I seek permission to present a report on some of the important activities and projects that our club executed during the year gone by. Can I have the presentation, please? So the auspicious start, we started the year at Sai Baba Temple praying to the Almighty to give us relief from the dreaded virus. But God went one step further and gave us opportunities to serve the people and ease their pain. Did we do that effectively? Today is Judgment Day, and I will leave it to all of you to judge. So the four-way test on the 1st of July, we started, on the Rotary way with an inauguration of a four-way test board at the hands of District Governor Shabir. And later on during the month, we also inaugurated another four-way test board at another busy traffic intersection of the city. खास बात यह है कि besides the strategic locations, notable feature of these four-way test boards are they are fitted with LED bulbs, so they glow at night as well. Quite eye-catching. Besides passing the message that they are meant to pass. We continued our commitment to a greener planet with the Road Tree Contest, in which Rotarians and Rota kids participated with a great deal of enthusiasm. And we combined a tree plantation drive with fellowship at our members' farm an outing to be remembered forever for those who participated. A major challenge was, of course, that of membership. Concerted efforts by the entire board, as well as the specially formed membership retention committee, ensured minimum attrition. The membership committee ensured quality additions to our club, with the result that we have ended the year with more members than we began with. The way the new members have actively participated in each of our projects is really a president's dream come true. I can very proudly say that as against attrition of at least 10-20% of clubs our size, we have ended this year with 247 members, actually 4 more than the number that we started. And IPDG Shabbir informs me that we have regained our prima donna status of the biggest club in the district. I wish to thank every single member of our club for having stuck with us in these difficult times. Mental health initiatives. I can say with pride that the single most important reason of bringing mental health issues to the forefront and the need to address them head-on goes to our club and Rotarian Rita Agarwal in particular. She has been absolutely relentless in her mission of awakening society to the perils of frail mental health. We've prepared a video on mental health addressing school and college-going children, their parents and teachers, Rotarians all over RID 3030 and beyond. Rotarian Rita has also come out with a monthly magazine, Mind Matters, dedicated to mental health. A number of webinars were organized to create and increase awareness about mental health issues. And of course, the first global grant project on mental health sanctioned to our club this year, US $34,000 to cater to students of Standard 8 of 5 schools in Nagpur, their teachers, parents, and providing counselors for a period of 2 years. And friends, if that was not all, there was even a 24/7 helpline available to any person who was undergoing mental problems during the peak period of COVID. So I think, ladies, the mental health initiative began for all of them. Coming now to the fun quotient, the ladies committee, the heart and soul of RCN. They helped in providing much needed relief, de-stressing, astrology, Fantakshiri, Diwali Dhamaka Hausi, Ladies Day Out, Hasya Kavita, you name it, and they turned it into a big fun event. टीम अपेक्षा के बारे में मैं क्या कहूँ? They were much ahead of their time in terms of providing relief for COVID. 24/7 helpline with real-time hospital availability, medicines, injections, pan-India. They received on an average 400 calls a day. और मैं कहता हूँ, नागपुर वासी ही नहीं, RID 3030 ही नहीं, सारा देश सबूत है कि रिस्पॉन्स टाइम हर कॉल का 2 मिनट से ज़्यादा कभी भी नहीं रहा. I proudly say that a major constituent of the team Apeksha were our youngsters from Rotaract, about whom I will be speaking a little later. As far as donation of medical equipment is concerned, DG sir, we have donated medical equipment worth more than 1.33 crore rupees to hospitals, village healthcare centers, and local administration during the last 2 months. All this has been possible because of the CSR initiative of TCS, Gandhian Society USA, District Governor of RID 2400, Agneta Raberg of Sweden, Heart to Heart International USA, Rotary Club of QPIP Mauritius, members of our club and other big-hearted friends. I thank District Governor Shabir and past President Alok Goenka for their efforts in this direction, and a special word of thanks for Harshal and Revati, our members from TCS. I think one word about DG of RID 2400 Sweden needs to be mentioned. Agneta Rabag remitted money thrice, and our wonderful bankers sent it back thrice. Imagine somebody donating funds to our country for our help, money being sent back, but that woman persisted. She kept on corresponding with us, making sure that the fourth time the money actually came and it was put to good use. And I think it's absolutely necessary to mention here, इतने सारे संस्थाओं ने हम पर भरोसा किया because we have projected that picture before them. Our club, our 76-year-old history, legacy, it has shown them, it has given them the belief that when they actually donate to our club, the funds will always 100% be put to the best use, and the benefit thereof will necessarily flow to the most underprivileged sections of society. So thank you all for the donations, and I'm sure that should the third wave come, the city of Nagpur will be much, much better prepared because of your donations. Thank you so much. Besides regular COVID care, we also donated a number of PPE kits, disposable bed sheets to hospitals and old age homes, masks with Rotary logo to the slums, among slum dwellers, and more importantly, we conducted vaccination drive at 2 of our members' hospitals. Prashish, can you have a look? Yeah, there is something on the screen there. Yeah. At 2 of our members' hospitals for senior citizens who found it challenging to register themselves online. Another of the projects of our club that we're extremely proud about, microcredit. One of the programs in our calendar whose importance was felt even more during COVID times was microcredit. We've supported 41 ladies this year, that's 4,10,000 rupees, to start and grow their own small businesses. COVID care kits to 200 inmates of old age homes was our Independence Day program. Our club has given scholarships worth 2 lakhs to underprivileged girl students and earmarked a further sum of rupees 3.5 lakhs to be given at the beginning of this academic year. More than 220 students are expected to benefit from this. And believe you me, we made an appeal just a few days ago. कल रात को 11:30 बजे तक भी मुझे गूगल पे स्कॉलरशिप के contributions आ रहे थे from our members. So very big thank you to all the members who've been contributing year after year for the benefit of the underprivileged girl student. TRF. Now before I would like to share with you an incident that happened a couple of weeks ago. During the district conference on the 12th, we were having dinner together, and fellowship was over. I was just on the last few morsels on my plate finishing off. I was completely mentally switched off, just preparing कि भाई चलो अब घर जाएंगे सोएंगे. And suddenly I find myself घेराउड by a group of past district governors. वहाँ पे ये आप में से जो भी प्रेसिडेंट बनने को इच्छुक है बड़ा गौर से सुनिएगा. वहाँ वो गैलेक्सी ऑफ पास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर्स नहीं रहते हैं. इट्स मोर लाइक अ फायरिंग स्क्वाड ऑफ पास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर्स. और साथ में हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर शब्बीर भी बैठे थे, शांत, द स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड साइलेंट टाइप. तो ये घेर लिए मुझे, बोले भाई ये TRF का हमारा ऐसा ऐसा टारगेट है, क्या सोचा है. Like I was like ready to go home, and I just said, देखो भाई जहाँ सोच वहाँ वाचनालय. तो मैं सोचता नहीं हूँ, क्या बोलना है बोलो. So I mean the gist of it was on a more serious note. The gist of it was they said कि भाई हमारा जो टारगेट है माइनस ऑल द क्लब्स इन नागपुर, जो बैलेंस बचेगा वो नागपुर क्लब का। मैंने बोला डन। अब ये मैंने पूरा अपने डीजी शब्बीर और अपने मेंबर्स के भरोसे बोल दिया। बट look at what the club, its members, past President Aspi, Rotarian Vishal Agarwal, and so many other, Paul Harris Fellows. And thank you for proving that my confidence in you was not misplaced. I mean, amazing. It's just amazing. I think DG Shabbir and, or rather, IPDG Shabbir and DG Ramesh ji would have the numbers. But आज CA डे है, मेरी गिनती वैसी भी ख़राब है। लोग मुझे जब पूछते हैं 2+2 कितना होता है तो मैं बोलता भैया आपको कितना चाहिए, मैं वैसे कागज़ बना देता हूँ। तो झूठ नहीं बोलूँगा, लेकिन ये जो आंकड़ा है more than $50,000, I think it's reasonably accurate and correct. So thank you once again. I think a big hand to all the members. And I can say that, a lot of this and practically all of it is obviously due to our dynamic IPDG, Shabbir, who's done fantastic work, not just for the TRF, but for so many other areas and sectors of Rotary all over the district. I think, may I request everybody to please stand up, wherever you are, here in the hall, please give him a standing ovation. IPDG Shabbir, as the president of the club and all the members of Rotary Club of Nagpur, we are so proud of you. Thank you, past President Aspi, Rotarian Vishal, all the donors for Paul Harris Fellow and all the other donors who have made contributions to TRF, all members who have made contributions anywhere for our club, for whatever reason. Thank you all so much. Whatever we could achieve, it was not possible without each one of your support. Thank you so much. We moving on to programs. Friends, it was very essential. Like there was a major culture change for our club and for everybody basically when we are changing from, having physical meetings, fellowships, to constantly, be meeting on Zoom and other virtual platforms. And it was very difficult to get members to sustain their interest. So I think the program committee, Mohammed Master, other members have done such a fantastic job arranging for speakers of national and international repute at our weekly meetings, panel discussions, entertainment, online fellowships. We had a Diwali Dhamaka that we did. So all of this was very, very essential, very, very crucial for having the involvement of our clubs throughout the year. Great job, program committee. As far as the Interact is concerned, again, please, friends, please keep in mind that the schools were physically shut almost throughout the year. And probably the biggest challenge before society was to inculcate a culture change among the students from physical to virtual. But this did not deter our interactors. It was business as usual. DG sir, मैं खास करके एक बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट बच्चों ने किए, लेकिन एक प्रोजेक्ट पे खासकर मेंशन करना चाहूँगा, ज्ञानवाणी का. There was this online education for which, as you know, a smartphone or a palm top, laptop, something like that is essential. But what about those students who were in the rural areas, who were in the villages, and who had no access to these kind of, fancy gadgets? तो उन तक भी तो एजुकेशन पहुंचाना ही था. तो our Rotary Ann, Shama Yadav, came up with this wonderful idea of getting them learning through a radio program, जिसका नाम ज्ञानवाणी दिया था. तो हमारा क्लब We were very proud to associate with this program. And sir, we reached out to students within 150 kilometers of Nagpur through Radio Mirchi. On a very conservative estimate, we've reached out to 150,000 students who did not have access to any smartphone or any gadget of that kind. बाकी तो how to ride the waves of the pandemic, Ganesha, cyber awareness, etc. बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम बच्चों ने किए and congratulations, wonderful job by our Interact committee, all the Interact schools, teachers in charge. Rotaract. I think I have no hesitation in stating that a major share of credit of all the good work that we did during this year goes to our energetic team of Rotaractors. Maybe even a day would not be enough to recount all that they have done, so I will restrict myself to just a few key projects. Their immense contribution to Team Apeksha, I've already touched upon. These guys were available 24/7 for any and everybody, providing assistance not just to citizens of Nagpur, but even far-off places such as Delhi, Jaipur, Orissa. One particular project, very novel concept in partnership with TCS, was arranging webinars for Rotaractors in their final year. Leading faculties of TCS gave very insightful information on soft skills and other tips to make them interview ready, not just for TCS, but for any big corporate. And I'm sure the results of these webinars would be there for all of us to see in the days to come. Another project which I would specially like to mention is that of Sir, DG Sir, 50 रोटरैक्टरों ने अपने आप पे वो जिम्मेदारी लिया. हर एक रोटरैक्टर ने 5 रोटरी फैमिलीज़ को अपना जिम्मा ले लिया. And they kept inquiring about these 5 families' well-being during the peak COVID period at regular intervals. So establishing a very one-to-one base, extremely well appreciated by our club members, especially the senior ones. Another project that could finally see the light of day, we were able to inaugurate the GMC Rotary Skin Bank on the 28th. On the 28th. बहुत कड़ी मुशक्क़त करनी पड़ी इसके लिए. बहुत सारे presidents, not बहुत सारे, but Parag took a great giant leap in initiating discussions with the government medical college. और मुझे बहुत खुशी है ये कहने में कि the skin bank has actually reached a place where the benefits of that bank can actually reach out to the poor and underprivileged. किसी को भी कोई any burn victim or anybody needing a skin graft, it's available pretty much free of cost at GMC, which would otherwise have not been possible in any private hospital. So great job, Team Skin Bank. Thanks Parag, past President Prashant. Thank you DG sir for sparing your time for inauguration. We also got our a new roster and bylaws, updated bylaws printed during the year. A lot of new information, a lot of old information also about our club history, etc. Interesting reading, I'm sure all of our members have gone through it. In fact, I would like to compliment the roster committee. They've gone and added another addendum to the roster committee. तो हमारा latest 16 अप्रैल को जो इंडक्शन हुआ मेंबर्स का, उनका भी डेटा वो एडेंडम के तौर पे सभी मेंबर्स के पास पहुंच गया होगा या पहुंचने में होगा along with this month's golden orange. Fantastic job roster committee. Vocational service awards were given away to our Rotarian Hirabai Mulani, Manisha Agarwal, Dr. Rajshri Sengupta and Rajat Kapoor for their excellence in their respective vocations. I'm running out of time, so I would have wanted to go a little bit more in detail. But excellent work done by all 4, aptly recognized by the Vocational Service Awards Committee. And we hope to even achieve greater heights in your career going further. International activities, as I have mentioned, Rotary Club of Hamburg, we had a friendship exchange with them, family exchange with them, and they have promised, in fact, it's gone a level further. Rotary Club of Hamburg has promised us a donation of $3,500 for our another global grant project which is in the pipeline and will no doubt happen in the next year, in this coming year. Gandhian Society, Sweden, Mauritius, Heart to Heart International, I've already mentioned. They've made major donations to us through which we could make further donations of medical equipment to our hospitals. Rotary Club of Naples, Florida, combined with us for our global grant on mental health project. So thank you all for these organizations for deeming it fit to partner with us. And I'm sure these partnerships will go even further in the years to come. Friends, before I end, I would like to thank all my board members who've been so strong in their support. Always we had our hands together. District Governor Shabbir, all past presidents of our club, all members, spouses, Rotaractors, Interactors, partners in service, donors, and of course I should not forget Nilesh, who's been such a fantastic help all throughout the year. And of course, I thank everybody. I wish Dr. Jerestine Watchmaker and her team 21-22 all the very, very best. Thank you all so much for your support the entire year. Thank you.